Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, every now we need to check the health of the LCD and touchscreen of our cell phone, whether it is still functioning properly or whether there is decrease in performance. Okay, to check it, you need an additional application guys. So now let's we install it first on Google Play Store guys. So yeah, you can search for check LCD, and yeah, I will choose this one. And if you don't have this application, you can install it first, and then here I will open the application, and now you can check the touchscreen. Okay, firstly I will check the sensitivity of a color. So yeah, this is work properly. And then the second is a color gradient, and yeah, this is working properly too. And then next to another feature, I will check about the information of my screen. And yeah, next I will test the multi-touch test. So yeah, here you can follow the instruction as directed guys. And if everything is done and you pass the test well, it means your LCD and touchscreen are good health and works properly. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.